roof off of this building is about to come off.
Crossover again. Romeo. Axel Baker. What a shot. Mula kay Carlo.
Going left, going right, and straight to down.
Right now, he's unstoppable. JC is down. Skies for that dunk.
Thompson, the great setup for the turn. Ball bell number 3.
That's a big shot. Wow.
There's an alley-oop with a rim rambler.
Webber waiting down low. Two-handed. And then Kraken going down. Spider-Man. Use some atake. Lamba.
And the set to this crowd roar.
Mark Barroca and the rest of the crew. Old rivals, alam natin, dati pa naglalaban itong dalawang koponan. But new beginnings, a chance to rise back to glory for these two teams. Maverick Ahanmisi, ang rookie guard, starting together with Don Troliano, rookie din yan. Belga, Ibanez, and Chisholm for the Reynolds and Alapto Painters. Simula na ang ating tagisan na tunay na lakas. Cobra, gufto ko pa. On the other side, it's Barroca and Simon. Bowles, Maliksi, and Rivas, and immediately an inside incursion is a miss for the white shirts.
It was a well-executed play, but good stance defensively by Big Bo Belge. Was able to foil that shot from Denzel Bowles.
Veteranong Rafi Rivas, susubukan pigilin si Wayne Chisholm, pero not si Wayne Chisholm. Nakausap natin siya before the conference started. Excited kasi feeling niya unfinished business a year ago. A chance for him to score even more and bring more for his team. Tuwan-tuwa siya sa kanyang mga campaign. He knows his team is capable of winning it all.
Well, two things. Number one, it was not enough for him to win the best import of the conference the last time he played here. He actually towed his team all the way to Game 7. Only to lose a close one against Stock and Tex, Tropong Texters.
That's right. Well, tit for tat. Nakashoot si Chisholm. Sinagot naman ni D. Bowles. Belga, set shot from 3. That's way offline. Over ang kanyang tira. Ito na si Barroca magdadala ng bola. Yung kanilang alternate uniform. Ang suot itong rain or shine. Yung pula. Naagaw ni Jairo Ibanez. And he'll try to push it up, leaving it for Maverick Ahanmisi, who bounces it off his foot. Pero naka-recover naman. Belga on the drive, tumama sa kanyang hita. He knew it, that was his mistake.
Yes, he was able to go by Denzel Bowles, but he was not able to control that leather.
They go to Maliksi. The turn. Pilit ang tira. Here comes Rain or Shine. We're tied at 2 apiece. Barely 2 minutes gone by sa ating first quarter. This is the second game of our Saturday doubleheader. Don Troliano. Di na rookie yan. Naka-isang conference na yan eh.
Oh, just great confidence for that guy because he was up against a veteran Rafi Rivas who is known as a shot blocker, but he used his quickness to go by his man. First 2 points here in the ball game for the rookie. Rookie nga ba? Oh, no, second conference, yes.
Di ba yung experience that to get for an entire tournament, suddenly ibang level ka na eh. Alam mo na yung ins and outs ng PBA, yung tipo ng tawag ng mga referees, and you know how to do things. And you can see Troliano from day 1 actually, hindi nahihiya tumira yan.
Totoo, at yung kumpiyansa sa kanya ni Coach Yang Giao, evident. In fact, he's starting in this ball game.
Simon, nasara ng pinto ni Chisholm, and they get the ball, the red shirts. Here's Maverick, number 3 pick in the last draft, straight to the hoop for 2.
Oh, the last 3 plays of Star Hot Shots all proved to be unsuccessful. 2 were turnovers translated into baskets by Rain or Shine.
PJ. Off the curl, Mark Barroca. The lob to Denzel Bowles. Missing the layup.
Oh, 2 shots. 2 gimmies by Denzel Bowles. Was able to make a perimeter jumper, but out of the 3 shots that he has taken, 2 were easily makeable.
Tapos balik naman sa kabila, atake agad itong si Don Troliano. Doesn't get the basket, pero 2 shots from the line ang ibibigay sa kanya. We look at Coach Jason Webb. He's a rookie coach in this league, and he has had quite a difficult time so far adjusting as a head coach.
Oh yes, he's got great understanding of the game, but you know, in the PBA, it might take a while for him to adjust being the main man on the bench. He's got a lot of frustrations in the last conference, but knowing how resilient this guy is, I am certain he will bring this team to the next level.
Sinasabi nga ng marami, it's only a matter of time.
Oh, yes.
Kailangan patience lang muna, di ba? Kasi nabanggit na nga rin ni Denzel Bowles, but it's really an adjustment to the new coach. Here's Rafi Ribis, ang veterano. He's been around parang forever. I mean, forever. Ito si Rafi Ribis gets the basket inside. Nice feed from Denzel Bowles.
Take a look at this slow-mo. Nice look by Denzel Bowles, and Rafi Ribis has been in the league for a very, very long time already. Usually a dependable guy on defense, but in that kind of a situation, he will make sure that he will make that basket.
Impis sa kanyang free throw. Rafi Ribis missed some time noong first conference natin, Philippine Cup, dahil na-dislocate ang kanyang daliri. And, you know, he couldn't help his team in the latter stages ng torneo yun. That's a three-point shot brought to us by Oppo F1 selfie expert. And Maverick Anisi, 5 points na.
And there's a problem with the transition defense of Star Hot Shots. For some reason, nobody was able to get that man who was wide open to shoot his first three.
Bago pa man nakatira si PJ Simon, meron ng pito ang ating referee. Holding foul on Maverick Anisi, pangalawang personal niya yan.
You know, those things for Coach Jason Webb could be frustrating because it is a testament that the communication is not yet too open. Nobody's saying, that's my man, and that is why Mincy was able to take that shot.
Sweet! Yung tira ni PJ Simon, 16-footer, nothing but net. 10-6, 4-point lead para sa Rain or Shine Alaska Painters. Belga naghahanap ng papasahan. Off to Troliano, 10 to shoot for the E-Painters. Belga to Jaire Ibanez, kinaliwa. In and out ang kanyang tira, and here come the white shirts going the other way, and Barroca. Strong first quarter sa kanilang unang laro against Meralco, but he lacked some help, especially in the second half.
Alam mo, yun ang nangyari rito sa Star. They really started so well. In fact, at the end of the first quarter, they were on top 26-18 against Meralco. But for some reason, they lost steam.
And they need help from a lot of guys. Yan si Alin Maliksi is one of the guys who can help, definitely. Pero yan na naman, napabayaan na naman from the three-point line. That's a shot brought to us by Oppo F1 selfie expert, Bo Belga, with the trifecta.
Oh, he's very comfortable with that shot. And that's going to give problems on the defense of Star if Belga makes that shot consistently.
Binawian naman agad ni Alain Maliksi. He's got 5 points of his own on the Star side. The lead is down to 2.
Oh, it's nice to see Alain Maliksi getting his confidence back. In fact, in the first game, he played a total of 34 minutes. You know, there were a lot of stories in the first conference wherein he was even suspended by Coach Jason Webb. But he's just showing a lot of patience, and he's paying off the kind of confidence that Jason is giving him right now.
Career kasi ni Maliksi, no? Medyo frustrated na rin siguro yung bata. In college, he was playing well, got injured.
Oh, yes.
Lost a lot of time. Finally made it to the PB. Na-injure naman agad dun nung nasa Barako pa yata siya.
Yes.
Tapos pumasok dito sa Star. Was a good contributor of the bench, then got injured again.
So yung patience, yun talaga ang tinitest sa kanya. Pero he's being rewarded right now, and all he has to do really is embrace it and make the most out of it.
Ito si Anisi, finding Belga, pinabayaan. They dared him to shoot the three. At nagbintis, gusto yata may nag-rush out. Gusto may nag-close out to si Bo Belga pag tumitres.
He was just off rhythm that time. He was surprised that he was wide open. Sometimes, if you're that open, it gives yourself more pressure to make that basket.
We're tied at 13. It's a good recovery from a slow start with Star Hot Shots. Denzel Bowles, nahanap sa kanto si PJ Simon, pero may pito na agad sa pofte. Bo Belga is called for a personal. 6 minutes and 13 seconds remain in quarter one.
Just an update on this Rain or Shine Alaska Painters roster. We might have to wait for 2 more weeks before we see Paul Lee back in action. The good news is his knee is healed, but unfortunately while he was on playing basketball, he was trying to recover. He also gained a lot of extra weight. Now the doctor's advice is for him to trim that weight first because it's pretty dangerous to have him play if he isn't in basketball shape. Doubtful also to play today is Jeff Chan, who went through a procedure to extract calcium off his elbow during the off-season. You can see him actually wearing a sleeve on his elbow. That is to protect him from contact. And Coach Yang wouldn't want to jeopardize the recovery he's had already. So they say if he has a luxury or if they have the luxury of not to play him, he won't play. But if the situation is needing for him to play, Jeff Chen is ready. But what good news I bring for Rain or Shine Alaska Painters fan, in a bit we might just be seeing Raymond Almazan ready to be back in action. Gentlemen.
Maraming salamat, Riza Diaz, ang ating kasama at courtside. Well, that's the injury report on the side of Young Girls Alaska Painters. Kabilang panig naman, of course, Alex Malyari is out for at least another 2 weeks. May injury rin na iniinda. So, isa pang guys na reliable para sa kupunan ni Jason Webb na hindi makakalaro sa laban na ito.
Laking bagay yun dahil on defense, Coach Jason relies on Malyari.
Good feed inside. PJ Simon finding Denzel Bowles. They grab the lead, Star Hot Shots. And that's a miss from Wayne Chisholm. Tira natin kung makakaarangkada itong Star Hot Shots. Yung may napansin ang mga fans, yung mga comments after the game of Star Hot Shots the other day, parang kulang sa hangin daw ito si Denzel Bowles.
Oo, medyo out of shape pa siya siguro. Medyo mataba ng bahagya. But usually, even in his previous conferences, slow starter itong si Denzel Bowles. Pero once he gets his bearings going, he will be hard to stop.
Well, a guy who has his bearings here in quarter 1. Alain Maliksi, 8 points na kanya tinatala. 2 3-pointers ang kanya na ipasok. So it's a 5-point lead all of a sudden for the Hot Shots. Belga went out to Ibanez. 8 seconds to shoot. Ibanez making his way in the paint. All sorts of contact in there. Mukhang nasiko sa dibdib ito si Denzel Bowles, holding on to his rib cage. It's going to be a foul on Maliksi, kanyang una.
A total of 8 points already for Alain Maliksi on back-to-back 3-pointers. He had a total of 14 points in 34 minutes of action against Meralco.
Ano naman yung galaw na yun ni Don Troliano? Nice, easy spin to the hoop and not a single defender underneath to protect the rim.
And it is just amazing because we've been talking about Treliano starting in this ball game, not playing like a rookie. But credit must be given to Coach Yang Giao for the confidence that he has given this player.
Are they going to credit that to Denzel? Si Rafi Ribis, that's my shot. That was me who tapped that in. So baka i-correct nila yan. Ha? Palagay ko i-correct nila yan kasi mukhang Rafi Ribis nga ang tumapik nun.
Tama.
Maverick, masyado malakas sa 3-point attempt. Si Rafi Ribis, sabi niya, minsan na lang ako umiscore, hindi nyo
pabibigay sa akin.
Oo, diba? Here's PJ Simon. Wily veteran para rito sa koponan ng Star. He takes the 3-pointer top of the key. Maliksi offensive rebound and they reset the offense. They atake agad si Maliksi. Finding PJ underneath. He's trapped and that's a travel.
And all of a sudden the defense just collapsed for Rain or Shine and not knowing what to do. PJ Simon was forced to wiggle a little bit. And traveling violation was called against him. But 20 points already for Star Hot Shots. After a very, very slow start, they were able to recover.
Kanta yun, coach. Wiggle it just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Here's Don Troliano. Jewel Ponferrada, napakalaking pick-up para sa Rain or Shine this season. Played really well for them in the first conference. And then, immediately, offensive rebound ang kanyang ginawa.
He's a two-way player also. He can shoot the easy baskets, can also step out and shoot the perimeter. But more than that, he's a banger also. So, ang template ng Rain or Shine, big man, kitang-kita mo dito kay Ponferrada.
Ponferrada did actually play for the Star Hot Shots franchise in the past. There's a body on the floor. Jaire Ibanez holding foul siya. Siya pa bumagsak. So, double whammy para sa kanya. And look! Naghiyawan ng crowd dito. Bakit? Andyan na. James Yap is in the game. Limited minutes noong kanyang unang laro here in the Commissioner's Cup. But we all know what this guy is capable of doing.
Only 5 points, 2 rebounds in 15 minutes of action. We were actually surprised the number of minutes that he played and we were told that he's coming off an injury.
Ano kwento mo, Riz?
Charlie, yun nga, he's coming off an injury. Kung mapapansin ninyo, yung kaliwang kamay ni James Yap, yung ilang daliri doon ay nakabenda. Ang tawag nila dyan yung nakorbo daw. So medyo hirap mag-dribble at syempre nga hirap din siya mag-shoot. Now, apparently, last game nila, Wednesday, he was also recovering from a fever. So today, he didn't start either, but hopefully, James Yap is feeling so much better. Gentlemen.
Thanks a lot, Riza. Pero yun na nga, sa left hand naman yung may problema yung daliri niya. Right hand, one-hander naman ang tira niya. So, pwede pa.
Pwede pa yan. At napakaraming options sa pagtira itong si James.
Ano ba, a million moves ba o 1,000 moves? A million, di ba?
Parang million eh. Oo eh.
So, pwede pa yan mamaya. There's a whistle inside.
It's going to be a bounce back game for James, and all the fans of Star Hot Shots are certainly hoping. He averaged 14.8 points per game, but only 5 in the game against the Bolts.
Hey, listen. Run the pinky. Okay, pop out. He's just gonna seal. Okay, we reverse the ball, try to find him there. Okay, and then go. Okay. Come out of bounds. Run the pinky to the corner. Okay. Look. Okay. That's you. Come out quickly. Try to do a hard seal now. Okay? Hanapin mo. Kung hindi pwede, reverse lang tayo. Lalabas ka. Okay? Try to find it. Hey.
20-15 na ating score. Star Hot Shots with the lead, but Rainer Shine with the ball.
Oh, just fantastic recovery for Star Hot Shots in the first 6 minutes of action. In fact, itong Star were down 10-4, but with that shot, to announce his entry, tumikit na agad itong Rainer Shine. Jericho Cruz with the 3.
Ano mo, namin nag-uusap ngayon nung Philippine Cup na nakakaraan lang, itong si Vic Manuel, siyempre nagpakilala sa buong sambayanan kung sino siya. But this guy, Jericho Cruz, did the same. You know, in the absence of Paul Lee, he was put thrust into that position na i-fill yung slot na yon na ginagawa ng Angas ng Tondo, and Jericho Cruz filled in admirably for Coach Yang.
Oh, phenomenal performance for Jericho Cruz in the last conference dahil masyadong maraming out nga si Paul Lee, pero ganun pa rin, maganda pa rin ang naging performance ng Rainer Shine.
Magparamdam na sa inyong mga PBA idols using Shout, SHOWT. Punta lang sa sports5.ph, look for the Shout tab or column. Vote for your favorite PBA coaches, players, and teams. Libre po ito, no registration necessary. Here come the Star Hot Shots. Melton sets. The 3 is too strong. Goals at Ponferrada. Tapikan ng bola. Red shirt. Huling nakatapik.
We've talked about Trujillo, we've talked about Jericho Cruz, and ito papasok na si Mark Pingers, first time to see action in the first quarter. Ito yung mga diamonds in the rough ni Coach Shengyao, na bigyan ng kumpiyansa, na bigyan ng minuto, ngayon nagpapakita that they belong here in the PBA.
There's a pass inside. Nag-hesitate si Mark Pingris.
Unbelievable. Mark Pingers was wide open, but you're correct, he hesitated because Chisholm can block shots, and as a result, naabutan pa yung kanyang tira.
Hindi raw gagamitin sana ni Coach Shengyao si Jeff Chan. Pinasok, siguro try lang natin, naka-tres agad.
Testing, parang mic test lang. Nakatira pa agad ng 3-pointer. So lumamang na ulit. Bumalik na dito sa Rainer Shine.
Here's Melton going to Pingris. Baba kay Rafi Rivas. Melton missed the other time. And ayun, overpassing naman ang ginawa ng Star ngayon. Open na naman si Mark Pingris, but this time too late.
Yes, the ball actually died in the hands of Rafi Rivas, not really known to be a back-to-the-basket player. And after having experienced a lead of 5 points, nawala na on a 6-0 blast here for Rainer Shine.
Ngayon, gusto naman palaki na kanilang kalamangan. Jeff Chan hit a 3 a while ago. Make that 2 in a row for this gunner for Rainer Shine.
Now this is now a massive run here for Rainer Shine. Make it 9-0 on back-to-back 3-pointers by Jeff Chan, who's not supposed to play.
Oo nga. Diba? At drain lang yung kanyang siko. Biglang 2-3 ang pinasok. Ang mintis na naman inside. He pulls. But Rafi Rivas fighting tooth and nail inside. The only white shirt in a sea of red shirts. At saka nakuha ng offensive rebound. That's a foul on Joel Ponferrada. Kanyang una. Free throws para kay Rivas.
Well, he got the bounce. He was able to get that ball. It's, what you've mentioned, this guy did not play in the first conference, and the struggle was just really obvious for Coach Jason Webb. But the kind of confidence that he has for this man, a very good off-the-ball player and a defensive player as well. He's getting the minutes, 11 minutes already here in the first quarter.
Palitan ng tao. Sangalang is in the game for Bulls. At Chisholm, ninabas na rin ni Coach Shengyao, and J.R. Kinyahan will fill his slot. So import so po muna. Balik Philippine Cup tayo.
The pacing of Denzel Bowles, because he started like a house on fire in his previous game, but only to lose steam towards the end. So ngayon, pinipace na siya ni Coach Jason.
Rafi Ribes has 6 points to his credit, so malaking bonus na yan. They needed every one of those points dahil they're still down by 2. There's a push on the move. Bagsak ito si Chris Chu. And Ribes is called for his first personal. And look who's coming in. The little Spitfire from Letran, Mark Cruz, will see action. So look at that backcourt. Melton and Cruz. You talk about a smallish backcourt. It might be one of the smallest combinations ever.
All of a sudden, I feel like that I belong.
Ayan, pwede ka na, coach, pwede ka na. Medyo 20 years too late lang, pero ito si Chris Chu. Slight push and a call for a foul inside. Who's it gonna be? Ian Sangala.
Oh, just a team foul for Star. Hot shot, so not yet penalty situation. And just a sideline out of bounds play for the red shirts.
Parang gigil na gigil pumuhofte itong mga guardia ng
Lahat
Raynor.
gusto
Nakita mo eh.
pumoste.
Oo eh. Cruz goes to Kinyahan. Pero ayaw nila sa poste. Treff down from the big man. J.R. Kinyahan missing from 3. James Yap may tanga ng bola. Nahanap ang kanyang partner si Mark Pingris. Taking their time, patient offense, down to 8 seconds on the shot clock. James. That's too strong on the rebound. Ponferrada rising above everyone else. Chris Chu will let fly at the last second. Hindi na niya naipasok yun. At the end of 1, it's a 2-point lead for the Elapsed Printers. We'll be back.